Are you aware that certain letters can be merged into other letters? I'm Adil Rahim from Quran Flow, presented to you for your 10-day Quran challenge. Let's jump right into it. If you take a look here, Surah Ikhlas, a very commonly recited surah. You might say to yourself, or you might have heard this being read, and you yourself might have read it wrong at one point in your life, right? وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ or وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ. What is the correct pronunciation? Great question. If you take a look here, this noon is presupposed to have a sukun, a rest sign. And it's followed by the letter lam with a W on top of it, right? Traditionally known as our shaddah, or known here at Quran Flow as our strong sign. Now if you have this, a noon with a rest sign, followed by a lam with the little W on it, right, the shaddah, the strong sign, you are to merge, completely assimilate the noon sound to the point that you don't hear the noon anymore. It's completely merged into the lam, completely merged into the lam. So it's going to sound yakullahu, yakullahu, yakullahu. Beautiful. I want you guys to read this verse with me. Practice this with me. And don't say yakun lahu, but read it like this. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. Beautiful job. Now let's read this entire portion together. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد. الله الصمد. لم يلد ولم يولد. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. Beautiful job. Great way of mastering this concept. If you want to learn about other letters that this rule applies to, visit us at quranflow.org and enroll in our upcoming semester. Look forward to seeing you guys over there. Until then, Assalamu alaikum.